Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into one of the most impressive innovations in the world of luxury travel, the all-new Volvo Motorhome 2026. Volvo has always been a brand known for its commitment to safety, technology, and Scandinavian design. And with this motorhome, they have taken all of that expertise and created something extraordinary. This isn't just a vehicle for road trips. It's a statement of comfort, elegance, and engineering precision designed to redefine how people experience life on the road. From the outside, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 looks both commanding and stylish. The design reflects a perfect balance of modern minimalism with muscular lines that give it a powerful road presence. The front features Volvo's signature Thor Hammer LED headlights, giving it a recognizable face that connects it to the rest of Volvo's lineup while maintaining a unique character suited for a luxury motorhome. The wide grille with chrome detailing, sleek body panels, and aerodynamic shaping make it look futuristic, but functional. Large panoramic side windows not only enhance visibility, but also add to the overall premium aesthetic. The sides are smooth with carefully designed storage compartments seamlessly integrated into the body, while the rear showcases modern LED taillights and a high, stable stance. Every detail on the exterior emphasizes Volvo's reputation for quality and precision. Step inside, and the Volvo Motorhome 2026 welcomes you to a sanctuary on wheels. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking, with Volvo's Scandinavian design philosophy evident in every corner. Natural materials like wood, leather, and brushed aluminum dominate the cabin, creating an atmosphere of warmth and sophistication. The flooring can be configured in wood or ceramic finishes, while the seating is upholstered in premium soft leather with fine stitching. Ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling and walls, customizable to fit any mood, whether you want a cozy evening setting or a bright daytime look. The living area is designed to feel like a luxury apartment. Spacious sofas line the cabin, offering comfortable seating for families or guests, and a large, retractable OLED smart TV rises at the touch of a button. The kitchen is fully fitted with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, oven, refrigerator, and beautifully crafted cabinets that provide plenty of storage while maintaining a sleek design. The dining space feels open and airy, with a proper dining table and ergonomic chairs, creating a real home-like experience rather than the compact RV setups most people are used to. The bedroom is a true highlight. It offers a full king-sized bed with memory foam mattresses, soft bedding, and large windows with automated blinds to control light and privacy. The lighting is soft and relaxing, making it the perfect retreat after a long day on the road. The bathroom carries the same luxury, featuring a rainfall shower with glass enclosures, heated flooring, a high-end vanity, and premium fittings. It feels like stepping into a spa, all inside a moving motorhome. For longer journeys, storage has been cleverly integrated, with hidden compartments and walk-in closets available in higher trims. Technology plays a massive role inside the Volvo Motorhome 2026. A central smart control hub lets you manage lighting, climate, security, and entertainment through a large touchscreen or via a connected smartphone app. Wi-Fi connectivity, satellite TV, and a premium surround sound system ensure you are always connected and entertained. Volvo has also included advanced voice assistant integration, making it easy to adjust settings with simple commands, which makes life on the road more seamless than ever. Performance is where the Volvo Motorhome surprises many people. Built on a robust and reliable Volvo chassis, the 2026 model offers a balance of power and smooth driving dynamics. It is powered by a high-efficiency diesel engine combined with hybrid technology, designed to provide impressive torque for long hauls while keeping fuel consumption lower than traditional motorhomes of its size. The advanced air suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps, and keeping the vehicle stable even at high speeds or on uneven terrain. Volvo's commitment to safety is unmatched. And this motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system to make driving such a large vehicle more comfortable and secure. One of the standout features is noise insulation. Despite being a massive motorhome, the Volvo 2026 is whisper quiet on the inside thanks to acoustic glass and high-quality insulation materials. This ensures that even when the engine is running hard, passengers can enjoy peace and quiet. The driving cabin itself feels more like a high-end Volvo SUV than a motorhome, with ergonomic seats, a digital instrument cluster, and a heads-up display to keep the driver fully informed without distractions. Now, let's talk about the price. The Volvo Motorhome 2026 doesn't come cheap, and that's expected for a luxury motorhome of this scale and sophistication. The starting price is around $1.3 million, and, depending on customizations such as advanced interiors, smart tech packages, and personalized design touches, it can easily reach close to $2 million. But for buyers in this category,